Cold start. Cold start is the problem an AI system faces when it has too little or no data about new users, items, or situations to make good predictions. It shows up whenever a model is asked to decide before it has seen enough relevant examples. A simple way to picture cold start is like walking into a restaurant where the chef has never seen you before and has no menu history. They must guess what you might like with almost no clues. The AI is in the same position. It wants to personalize, but your data plate is basically empty. In a streaming app, cold start appears when a brand new user signs up and the recommendation model has no watch history, likes, or skips for that person. Systems often fall back to generic rules, like trending shows, or rely on related information such as demographics or embeddings, similar to how similarity search works in other AI pipelines. Cold start matters because almost every AI product must handle new users, new items, or new contexts without breaking the experience. It shapes how teams design data collection, onboarding flows, and model strategies, and it is a recurring topic in recommender systems, personalization, and applied machine learning.